Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Voyager in Flex City. To begin your quest, you must first unlock the Starfall sector, a hidden area within the city. This requires completing the Cosmic Compass questline, which guides you through several initial challenges. Once unlocked, you'll need to collect 50 Stardust fragments by participating in various sector activities. This is the crucial first step on your journey to acquiring Voyager. Once inside the Starfall sector, your next challenge involves confronting the formidable Nebula Guardian. This boss battle requires strategic planning and a strong team. Following that, you'll encounter 3 intricate celestial puzzles scattered throughout the sector. Solving them unlocks further progress. Finally, demonstrate your agility by achieving a score of 15,000 points in the fast-paced Gravity Rush minigame. These steps are essential for advancing. With the sector challenges complete, you're close to obtaining Voyager. You must achieve Ascension Level 5 within the Starfall sector by earning experience from its activities. Then, proceed to the Starfall altar and exchange 25 Cosmic Cores, which are rare drops from sector enemies. Lastly, ensure you have 100,000 Flex coins ready for the final activation fee. These resources are vital for the next stage. The final step is to activate Voyager. Head to the central hub of Flex City and locate the Voyager Protocol terminal. Initiate the protocol, and you'll need to maintain a stable channel for exactly 3.5 seconds to complete the activation process. Once successful, the powerful Voyager unit will be added to your inventory, ready to assist you in all your Flex City adventures. Congratulations on your achievement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.